Is your gaming laptop turning into a mini furnace every time you play? Here is how to deal with it. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Gaming laptops pack serious power into slim designs, but that power comes with a price: heat. Overheating can throttle performance, shorten hardware lifespan, and ruin your gaming sessions. In this video, we will share the best hacks to keep your laptop cool, quiet, and battle-ready. Method 1. Tweak the processor power management. Tweaking processor power management is an effective way to lower CPU temperatures, particularly on laptops, by reducing the heat generated by maximum clock speeds and turbo boosts. The most impactful simple tweak is lowering the maximum processor state to 99%, which disables Intel Turbo Boost or AMD Precision Boost, often resulting in 10 to 20 degrees centigrade cooler temperatures. Here is how to adjust these settings in Windows. Open the Start menu, type Control Panel, and open it. Navigate to Power Options. Click Change Plan Settings next to your active plan. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. In the Advanced Settings window, scroll down to expand Processor Power Management. Double-click on Maximum Processor State. Change Plugged in to 99%. This prevents the CPU from entering its turbo or boost mode, reducing heat dramatically with minimal performance loss for daily tasks. For more extreme cooling, you can set this to 80 to 90%. Next, for minimum processor state, leave plugged in at 5%. Allowing the CPU to drop to a low state when idle ensures it stays cool when you are not doing demanding work. Set the system cooling policy to active. Method 2. Keep your laptop in a cool environment. Heat from your surroundings directly affects your laptop's internal temperature. A hot room or direct sunlight can make your cooling system work much harder than necessary. So avoid placing your laptop in direct sunlight. Use your laptop in a well-ventilated room. If possible, use air conditioning or a fan to cool the room. Also, avoid using the laptop outdoors in very hot weather. Make sure you keep it away from heat sources like heaters or kitchen appliances. Method 3. Use a laptop stand or a cooling pad. Flat surfaces like beds or mattresses block air vents and trap heat. Elevating your laptop improves airflow and reduces internal temperature. You can use a laptop stand or a cooling pad. You can check the budget options as these are widely available online. Place your laptop on the stand instead of directly on a desk or bed. If using a cooling pad, plug it in a USB port. Ensure the bottom vents are not locked. Also, avoid soft surfaces like blankets or cushions always. Method 4. Check the thermal paste. Thermal paste helps transfer heat from the CPU and GPU to the cooling system. Over time, it dries out and becomes less effective. If your laptop is over 10 to 12 months old, consider replacing thermal paste. If not used, you can take it to a professional technician. Ask them to apply high-quality thermal paste to CPU and GPU. Ensure proper assembly and testing before leaving. Monitor temperatures afterward to confirm improvement. Method 5. Clean dust from fans and air vents. Dust buildup blocks airflow and slows down fan performance. This is one of the most common causes of overheating. If your laptop is over 6 months old, schedule cleaning. Visit a technician or carefully open the black panel if experienced. Use compressed air to clean fans and vents. Remove dust from heat sinks. Reassemble and test temperature under load. Method 6. Avoid overclocking and update BIOS. Overclocking the system can boost performance, but sometimes it can crash the system or cause overheating. So you can disable overclocking while playing this game. To do that, boot into your BIOS or UEFI settings. The process of booting into BIOS differs from system to system. You can check the manufacturer's website for the exact process to boot into your BIOS. You can also take the help of the user manual to boot into your BIOS. Here are the basic steps to enter into BIOS or the UEFI settings. Open your Windows settings. Select Recovery from the right pane. Then click on the Restart Now button next to the Advanced Startup. Once your PC restarts, select Troubleshoot, then go to Advanced Options. Then you should find the UEFI firmware settings. Once you boot into your BIOS or UEFI settings, navigate to the overclocking section and then disable it. You should close all the overclocking apps if you are using one like MSI Afterburner or similar applications. If you are using an outdated version of the BIOS, then this can also be why your system is overheating. Each motherboard is different, so go through the manual of your motherboard to know how to update your BIOS. Follow the instructions to complete updating BIOS. After updating BIOS, you should not get the error. Method 7. Limit your FPS while gaming. Higher FPS forces CPU and GPU to work harder, producing more heat. Limiting FPS reduces unnecessary load without noticeably affecting gameplay. In some cases, extremely high FPS isn't always necessary. Here is a step-by-step guide to lower FPS for NVIDIA. Right-click Desktop, then open NVIDIA Control Panel. Go to Manage 3D Settings. Find Max Frame Rate, turn it on. Set it slightly below your average FPS. Click Apply. Method 8. Lower in-game graphics settings. High textures and ultra graphics push your hardware to maximum usage. Lowering graphics reduces GPU load and temperature significantly. Open your game, go to settings, and then make the necessary adjustments. Like for games like FC26, you can open the game settings and click on display configuration or similar settings. First, set the resolution to the native resolution or 1280x720. Keep changing and see what works for you. Next, set display mode to full screen or windowed borderless. Set the refresh rate to 60 Hz. Next, set the frame rate to 30 FPS or 60 FPS. Turn off VSync. Turn the dynamic resolution scale to off. Set cutscene quality to half frame rate. Set strand-based hair to off. Set rendering quality to low. Next, set grass quality to low and crowd quality to low. Once done, go to the bottom of the screen and apply all the changes. Turn off unnecessary visual effects. Test performance and temperature after changes. Method 9. Keep your laptop in a cool environment. Heat from your surroundings directly affects your laptop's internal temperature. A hot room or direct sunlight can make your cooling system work much harder than necessary. Avoid placing your laptop in a direct sunlight. Use your laptop in a well-ventilated room. If possible, use air conditioning or a fan to cool the room. Avoid using the laptop outdoors in very hot weather. Keeping your gaming laptop cool isn't just about performance, it's about protecting your investment. Try these hacks, share your own cooling tips in the comments, and help fellow gamers stay chill. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more practical gaming solutions. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.